What is up guys, my name is Tala and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. In today's video, I'm going to talk about RAM. Can you upgrade RAM in the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i or not? So let's talk about RAM and where do you actually need more RAM. So, if you're someone who likes to play a lot of games, you literally can't live without playing games, or you're someone who likes to stream games. Now streaming is a lot different than playing games, because in streaming you would be running a Chrome browser, because in that you will see your live comments. Then you will be running Streamlabs OBS, that is also a streaming software, and on top of that you will be running your game. Now in these three steps, like for streaming, you will definitely need a lot of RAM, because it won't run smoothly. Otherwise your stream won't be very smooth and it will not be a lot fun to watch. It will lag and people will leave. So in that case, let's say the game you're playing is Forza Horizon 4, or let's take a easier example, GTA 5. Now if you want to live stream GTA 5 in your YouTube channel in 1080p quality, you definitely need more RAM than 8 GB, because 16 GB of RAM will allow you to stream very easily. Because the thing that happens is Chrome uses a lot of RAM. Literally it just kills your PC. Even a gaming PC will get slowed down if you're using Chrome a lot, because Chrome is very heavy software. So using Chrome plus Streamlabs OBS, like a streaming software, on top of that you're using a game and you're streaming that game via internet, bro, that will take a lot of RAM. And like in my case, when I stream games like GTA 5, PUBG PC Lite, I normally do it with my PC, and the RAM usage at that time, it's like 14 GB, 15 GB. So if you will have 8 GB of RAM at that time, your PC or your laptop will definitely crash. Now that's the case when you need more RAM. Now if you're someone who's a normal user and you basically don't need a lot of RAM, because you're basically doing your notes, writing stuff, or you're using MS Word, these things won't take up more than 8 GB of RAM, and that is enough, more than enough. But if you want to, like you are practicing a software like AutoCAD, Revit or something in which rendering is happening, now that is a different case, because in rendering you need very powerful PCs, because when the rendering will start, it will utilize most of the RAM in your PC, it will take up most of the GPU and also most of the CPU. Now these three things will run simultaneously. Now if you are rendering something like, let's say you are rendering a video, any of the video editing softwares, now what will happen is your rendering will happen, but it will be slow because of the RAM limitation. Now if you want to, on top of that, you want to watch a video by the time the video renders, like let's say, hey, my video is rendering, and by that time I can watch a video of Gadgets Sphere. Make sure you do that. Now what will happen in that is your RAM will be limited and your PC might freeze at that point, because it will use a lot of RAM. Now that's where you definitely need 16 GB of RAM. Now let's come to the point where and how can you upgrade RAM in the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i. Man, this question is like asked by many of you guys, and I'm really excited to answer this. The only reason I wasn't making video because I wanted to clarify this even more, and that's why now I got the clear answer. I have asked from many of the Lenovo executives and they have told me the answer. So the answer is, if you want to upgrade RAM, the simple answer is you can't. There's like no possibility. But don't go yet. Don't stop the video. There's a way. There's a very good way how you can upgrade your RAM. That is by removing the soldered RAM, which is soldered inside your laptop, and applying a new stick of 16 GB RAM. That's the only way how you will be able to get 16 GB of RAM in your laptop. Now many people shouldn't do this. Why? Let me explain. If you will do that, your laptop might break, the RAM port might break, and it might be like your laptop doesn't recognize that 6. So then again you have to put your 8 GB RAM again. So there are a lot of risk doing that. So if you are a person who takes risk and you like to take risk, then yeah, it's up to you. But my advice is don't do that, and yeah, be satisfied with 8 GB RAM. And if you want to stream games, stream some light games like PUBG PC Lite, Minecraft, these things are okay. If you want to stream Assassin's Creed Valhalla, GTA 5, then you definitely need more RAM, and I wouldn't recommend you to stream those games with a laptop, because it will shorten the life of your laptop and it won't be good enough for your laptop, because the battery will get heated very easily and your battery life might degrade. Now there is one thing you can do definitely, and that is you can play any game you want and there will be no RAM limitations as of now. even like according to me, my experience, I was playing Assassin's Creed Valhalla in like the ultra graphic, the extreme graphic. Okay, in everything ultra, even the textures. My GPU was limited, but to be honest, the RAM was only 12 GB. So now you might think, oh, it exceeds the 8 GB mark, but it doesn't, because normally people play those games in medium to low settings, or like even in high it won't exceed like 7.5 or like literally 7 GB of usage of RAM. So yeah, you will be pretty satisfied with 8 GB of RAM. You don't need more RAM. So yeah, don't be worried about that. Be happy with your laptop. Your laptop is already very powerful, very powerful compared to the competition. Many laptops are now also with i5 9th gen, and you are happy that you are having the 11th gen of that, the latest version, and it is just released in 2021 January. So you should be happy about your laptop. You shouldn't be sad because of the RAM. That's pretty much it. That's my video. What do you think? If you like it, please subscribe, and yeah, hit the like button. I want 30 likes at least in this video. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.